Hoping today's the big day. We got our bank statement and a copy of my marriage certificate. We've got a million documents. I can get a passport. I just got to clean up a little bit, and I'm headed over to the Department of Motor Vehicles. Wish me luck. Ladies and gents, it's for real. I got my license. Well, I've got the temporary permit. I don't want you to see where I'm at. I've been working on this since last summer, June or July, and it's now February. I had to get my marriage certificate, marriage certificate, birth certificate. I'm super shocked right now. After the week I just had, after all this effort, the marriage certificate took November, January, 2.5 months to get here. Wow. Oh my. I guess we're losing light because it's after 5. Hello. Why does the picture look so bad? Here's my paneer, right? Spinach paneer. Got the street wrap, crisp paratha bread. It's different. It's interesting. It's good. It's supposed to rain for the next 2 days. Wasn't it raining yesterday? I mean, this feels like a long stretch. It was time to do laundry. My laundry is bagged up in the trunk, ready to go, ready to get washed. I'm glad I'm not where I was last week. I'm not trapped by car trouble. I'd rather be trapped by rain. Temperatures are well above freezing. Oh, rain makes me more stealth, so I'm sleeping at a 24-hour fitness. I'm just a very inconspicuous car. Nobody really notices me. I got the knock once. I was overconfident where I stayed. I decided not to read the signs. I couldn't read them. I didn't take the time to go walk over and, get really close or put glasses on to see. I should have. It's my first day back to work. Not that I want to go. I'm trying to switch companies already. And yes, I've got a little bit of nerves going on because I don't like my boss. I just did the interview. I'm not awake. I don't know. I hope I did okay. I think I did okay. I just want to do one thing. It's a very simple job. So, I'm celebrating by getting a decaf coffee, which is my thing the last, how many weeks? 3 weeks? Because it's been very hard. It's hard times. In the meantime, I'm still working for this current company. Not in the driver's seat. Yeah, this umbrella is a beautiful thing because I'm not completely trapped. Prior to this, it was such a challenge getting in and out with my old umbrella, which was, metal was exposed to the point that it rusted and snapped. I'm telling you, this thing, I have so much freedom. Yep, I close it up and I stick it right here, and it's not even dripping. It keeps all the water in there somehow. I mean, oh, dude. Lost some more footage. Really, what I wanted to say is that I don't know how I did it last winter, because when we had days of rain, I couldn't do anything, literally, because my old umbrella let in way too much water. But with this, I can still go to the library and Starbucks. I'm going to work on my editing. Yes, I'm a YouTuber. Works for free. I can go to the gym, work out, shower, grocery shop, It's like the only things that I can't do, I can't refill the water and I can't do laundry. That sucks. People that are commenting on my videos really touch me. Like, you have no idea. Especially the timing of them. I keep getting these positive comments like right when I need them. I kind of like this lighting because it's story time. To finish out what I was saying, without blinding myself or scaring off my viewers, these comments that I happened to notice, maybe they were already there, but I just saw them, like, lifted my spirits. One of the viewers, I guess he's or she is subscribed now, said I have talent. I feel I do, but it hasn't been mirrored back to me yet, and there it was. And I've said this a few times now, and I don't know, I don't want to keep like beating a dead horse. Nope, that's not the expression. I don't want to churn the butter until it's no longer edible. Yeah, I just want to express my gratitude and thanks. It's making a difference in my life.